Having the right tool makes all the difference when it's time to transform your lawn from brown to green. This sprayer was sent to me by the folks at PetraTools at no charge so I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. It comes with a 4-gallon translucent tank so you can easily see how much liquid is left in the tank. On the top, there are 2 openings. The larger one has a built-in filter to keep out debris, and the smaller one doubles as a measuring cup. Now, near the bottom on the side of the tank is where you connect the hose for the expandable wand, which reaches up to 34.5 inches. I guess that's great for getting into taller shrubs or hard-to-reach spots. This sprayer comes with 6 different nozzles. Check the manual to choose the nozzle that's best suited for your particular application. When you look at the back, you'll see that the tank and the shoulder straps are well padded and fully adjustable, so it's comfortable to wear even when the tank is full. Now here's a tip for you. It's a lot easier to adjust the straps and make it fit comfortably when it's empty. It's much more difficult to adjust everything once you have the tank filled up. These are the electrical controls. They're pretty straightforward. You can adjust the spray pressure with the dial or flip the red switch to run the pump at full power. Now, just a heads up, the manual recommends using one or the other, but not both at the same time. The battery in this sprayer is huge. It can run the sprayer for 6 to 8 hours. It can spray up to 200 gallons on a single charge, which is more than enough for my yard. I highly recommend giving this battery-powered sprayer a try. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.